Welcome back to the BArnzy channel, Real Talk Reviews. This time we're doing the 900 Global Viking. I'm Ryan's dad, and I'm here with...
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And we're going to show you today this brand new ball. If you want to see game one, go on to BArnzy Bowling's channel, and you can see game one and see how that one turned out. Now we're going to do game two. New ball here, hybrid R90 cover. It's polished with power edge. Mine is 5 1/4 by 4 1/2 by 2 1/2, and his is
4 3/4 by 5 by 1.
Yep.
So yeah,
There you go.
Pin down.
There you go.
Right.
Somebody got a little ahead of themselves. He was trying to show off a little, and
You
he
got
split
lucky.
the 10. But
Let you
right.
off the hook.
Here we go.
Good shot. Good
The
shot.
thing about this ball is continuation, and that's what their kind of the description says. And so far, I tend to believe them. It's supposed to be the ball for transition, shiny to get through the heads, and it's supposed to be continuous and kind of blend out all the things as the lane is changing. We're here at Louisville. We're following Senior League, so we got a little bit of blue oil. We got some carry down with some plastic balls. Really not a bad way to test kind of how this ball is going to manage things. Uh-oh. When we started, that shot went light. Something's happened to the lane where the part left of me hooks way more than it did 10 shots ago.
I'm the part to the left of them that made it hook.
Oh.
Ball game.
No, I should just move like 8, 10 left and just throw it over there at the gutter, probably. Yeah, so when people say, hey, why do you struggle on the regular tour? The main answer is,
Hi.
Hi.
I'm the reason he struggles in the right. Start taking them
so
out.
I'm gonna move 3 left and probably another 2 with my eyes.
Hook again. Hook again.
So, I mean, that's the crazy part, is that we bowled 1 game. Threw about 6 shots each on that lane, then bowled 1 game, and in the start of it, I missed left and went light. And at the end, I went 4 pin and now 3 6 in. So it's 4 boards and 12 shots
Yeah.
with only 1 other guy bowling. Now imagine EJ and Belmo and Troop and Vi and I guess the whole rest of the tour. That's how fast the lanes transition these days. Oh, what are you gonna do? It does do a nice job of continuing. It's not sharp, but in this case, I think that's a bonus. Well, you do have the lead.
Let's go.
You know what? I feel like I'm getting stuck, so I'm going to go slower. I'm going to move up on the approach about 18 inches and move about 5 left. See if I can get where all of his shots aren't left of mine. Uh-oh.
I didn't know whether to tell it to push or hook.
Yeah, well, I did move 5 left, so I don't get stuck by another transition shot in about 3 more shots. I thought I'd try and get over there first.
Should I move 5 left then?
But I need
What do
to
you
get
think,
it to the
Jack?
right a little more and let it get off the friction.
Oh.
Oh, we were close to taking the lead.
I missed so far, lads. The fact that it hooked is good. I thought it was gonna like
Wiggle.
wiggle the whole way.
That's the part about it not being super quick is probably the bonus, because it does blend out both that dry and that oil part. It's kind of described as being cleaner than the Origin. That's in the marketing, and then but a little more back end. I'd say the cleaner than the Origin part is definitely true.
But not as clean as the hyperdrive part.
True. Agreed. All right, let's get it a little further right this time. That should be better. Yes.
Good shot.
So you're saying there's a chance?
I slipped. It's fine.
Not bad.
It's fine. It was divey again.
You did a nice job of matching your jersey to the purple and the kind of
I tried.
grayish into this.
Just grabbed it straight out.
Those are the absolute power fans. It's a little bit looks like that with polish, and then it's a little more purple than blue. Can't complain. I think the marketing's pretty close. It's not always.
This is yeah. I think it's pretty spot on.
It's clean. It's pretty strong in the mid lane, and it continues.
You can tell you wouldn't use it necessarily on the fresh, but you could.
You could, because it is predictable,
But
it's clean.
definitely.
It's not, if you're on a hook and house shot, you definitely could start with this. If you're on something that's a little tighter, I think it's a game 2 or game 2 or game 3 ball. Got him.
Dude, he made him hook.
Yeah. My giant rev rate broke him down. Oh. Oops.
That was me.
Maybe the time, how long my ball took to get down there might have made it. Oh.
Darn it. All right. Dialed in. It's good to see you.
Save it for a double somewhere,
Yeah.
right? Still got a max 247 left.
Holy rack. Rack of doom.
Oh boy. Now he's just showing off.
I knew I needed him. Did you see that rack?
It's just,
Oh, you didn't see the rack. I was shipping it to the right. I needed entry angle.
well, you got it. I better not catch that rack because I can't do it. I'm going to cheat just a little half left here. Felt like there's a little bit of earlier friction, and I was wrong. Moved too much. Well, I moved it all. I didn't need to. Apparently. Feels like 5 a game now. Somewhat close now. Max
Somewhat
scores. 247. 247. Oh, that rack?
That rack.
All right.
That's got to go.
I tried to get it over there. I did get it over there. I just didn't
Got
get it
over
off
there.
of there.
Yeah. Need it up.
Yeah. I could feel it burning in the front on the one shot, and I moved and then flat 10, so I moved back and pushed it through.
This is
Still
a spinny.
no good. Now I need to strike to make you go strike 9, spare to tie. Huh.
Wrong one.
That one's not gonna work very well.
Throw it without your thumb, I dare you.
I'm not ready for that one yet. All right, I'm gonna move 2 left and create some rotation. And up on the side of it. Get over there! Ah,
No, I hate that.
man, I was ready for you too. You know why you can't teach old dogs new tricks? Because they don't need to.
Damn.
But I was wrong. So, must strike to win the match. Strike 9 spare is a winner. Yeah, you still need 9 spare. We're not out of the wood yet.
Actually 9. Right?
Oh
No, 9
no,
spare.
you have to have the spare.
Dang.
So.
Be careful, you might break the ball return. It's got a weight limit.
It's not nice. It's just not, that's just mean.
I wasn't gonna miss hard again.
No. Now he needs 2 for the tie. Sudden death.
1 ball roll off.
As a guest on my channel, you can pick the order.
Oh. I'll go first.
All right. You know I'm gonna flat 10, so now it's just whether you strike or not. Unless I don't.
Get out your head, brother.
All right, we're just gonna move a half right off the last one. Still get around it. Stay tall.
It's 1-1 now.
1 to 1. Now what happens?
Now what, Roddy?
All right, here's the deal. We tied 1-1. Well, really 1-0-1, but he won the roll off, so it's 1-1. So now we have to go to a second sudden death. My channel, my rules. I think this doesn't sound like a great idea. We're gonna swap. First one to strike, me 2-handed, him 1-handed. So.
Sweet. You wanna go first?
Yes.
Okay. I hope it doesn't go in the gutter.
Your fingers are too small. All right.
Oh boy.
That's got a chance. Oh no! Boom! That's.
Is that it? Do I get a rebuttal?
No, you get a chance to tie.
Okay.
You get a chance to tie. If you strike, I will tackle you.
You will tackle me?
Yeah.
I mean, his fit's not very
Pretty good fit. Good luck. I've been exposed. I have no chance. No.
Go ahead, sir. You can go
I'm
again.
telling you, kids ruin everything. Don't do it.
Make sure to wipe it off. I know you're not used to this two-handed thing.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, I hope it slips off his hand.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it did.
3. As you saw, one shot, two-handed strike. I won, he lost, first strike wins. The rest of it's out.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter what he did after that. We're not counting any of it. And so, my channel, my rules, Beef and BArnzy win.
As long as I
Right
don't pay
there.
rent.
The Viking 251, the 250 051 016, real continuous ball. I think we both like it. You can see you get way left to go around it. You could be straighter, and it still continued. I could roll it. It didn't lock up, which sometimes asymmetrical balls do. I used to have to always go to symmetrical balls to be in the middle. This one looks pretty good. November 23, get yours at the Pro Shop. You want more Real Talk reviews, come back to the Beef and BArnzy channel and check out your Pro Shop for this one later this month.